Yeah, man. Every parish in a Jamaica have a different feel. Some place calm and some place real. But the one
Montego Bay, also known locally as Mobay, is Jamaica's main tourist hub. The city serves as a perfect gateway for exploring the island, primarily thanks to Sangster International Airport, MBJ, which handles the majority of tourist flights drawn by white sand Caribbean beaches, luxury all-inclusive resorts, and rich marine life. Located right in the heart of the tourist district along the famous hip strip Gloucester Avenue, the beach is renowned for its brilliant white sand, clear turquoise water, and calm sea, making it ideal for both swimming and snorkeling. Located right in the heart of the tourist district along the famous hip strip Gloucester Avenue, the beach is renowned for its brilliant white sand, clear turquoise water, and calm sea, making it ideal for both swimming and snorkeling. The beach is managed by a private club. It is fully fenced and guarded. While this means there is an admission fee, in return you get cleanliness, safety, and peace from persistent beach vendors. Adult admission, $8. It is best to arrive early in the morning, between 8:30 and 10 o'clock. Later on, especially on days when large cruise ships are docked in the harbor, the beach tends to get very crowded. Smoking is strictly prohibited at Doctor's Cave Beach. This ban applies to cigarettes and e-cigarettes, as well as marijuana. Although Jamaica has historically been associated with smoking, the reality today is different under Jamaican public health laws. Smoking has been strictly prohibited on all public beaches, in parks, and in restaurants and bars since 2013. Dead End Beach, sometimes also called Buccaneer Beach, is the exact opposite of the organized Doctor's Cave Beach. It is a public beach, completely free of charge, located at the northern end of the hip strip Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. It gets its name from the fact that the road literally comes to a dead end at this point. The beach is located in the immediate vicinity of Sangster International Airport. Aircraft land extremely low, directly over the water and the heads of beachgoers. There are no large restaurants on the beach, but local vendors park their carts along the road or sell refreshments right out of their car trunks. You can buy fresh coconut, red stripe beer, or traditional food here, while local bars operate just across the road. There are no toilets or showers here, but the atmosphere is amazing, even though some vendors are pushy. In the evening, locals gather here to barbecue, play reggae music from their cars, and watch beautiful sunsets. Montego Bay's city center, known as downtown, looks completely different from the quiet, guarded resorts of the tourist zone. It is an authentic, chaotic, and bustling Jamaican city pulsating with energetic local life. For the average tourist, a visit can be an intense experience, filled with a multitude of sights, colors, and sounds. My recommendation is not to go to the city center after dark. It's not entirely safe, but during the day you can even go on foot. Let's go. The streets are filled with people, honking cars, and shared taxis. Loud music often, reggae or dancehall blares everywhere, from shops and passing cars alike. The sidewalks are lined with stalls selling fresh tropical fruit such as coconuts, clothing, and local food. The vendors are very loud and actively offer their goods. Sam Shop Square, the historic heart of the city. This paved square is named after Samuel Sharp, a national hero and leader of the uprising against slavery. A life-size bronze sculpture depicts Sam Sharp addressing his followers with a Bible in hand. It commemorates the Christmas Rebellion of 1831 to 1832, which he led and which contributed significantly to the total abolition of slavery. While hotel zones like Rose Hall or the beaches of the Hip Strip represent a polished Caribbean paradise with impeccable service, downtown Montego Bay reveals the reality of everyday life in Jamaica, a reality marked by poverty, chaos, and social issues. Be very cautious and avoid drawing attention to yourself. Leave expensive jewelry, watches, and large amounts of cash in the hotel safe. Overall, the people are great, and it really depends on what you expect from your travels. For travelers who want to experience the true culture, history, and people of the country, visiting the center is an essential experience. It is here that you will feel the authentic Jamaican rhythm, taste the best local food, and witness everyday life without the tourist filter. Jamaica is a beautiful country. If you like the video, please hit like, subscribe, and check out my other video.